America has a pill problem. Healthcare and law enforcement officials alike recognize that some U.S. residents seek access to prescription drugs, both controlled prescription drugs like Vicodin, oxycodone, and Xanax, and non-controlled prescription drugs without a valid prescription. Rogue internet pharmacies that distribute controlled and non-controlled prescription drugs into the United States are a major contributor to this very severe problem. Fundamentally, this is what this investigation and the resolution we are announcing today is about. It's about the patently unsafe, unlawful importation of prescription drugs by Canadian online pharmacies into the United States directly to U.S. residents. This is about those, including Google, who have reaped profits relating to this unlawful conduct. And it is about holding Google responsible for its role in this unlawful conduct. In general, it is against U.S. law to import prescription drugs into the United States. When drugs are not manufactured in accordance with FDA regulations and guidelines, the FDA cannot ensure their effectiveness and their safety. Advertisers pay fees to Google each time a Google user clicks on the ad. Since as early as 2003, Canadian online pharmacies have used Google's AdWords program to advertise the unlawful importation of controlled and non-controlled prescription drugs into the United States and the sale of prescription drugs without a valid prescription. As a result of this investigation by this office and the FDA, OCI, Rhode Island Task Force, Google has now reversed course. Simply put, Google no longer allows advertisements from Canadian or other foreign online pharmacies that import or dispense prescription drugs into the United States. Google must also forfeit $500 million to the United States. This money has already been wired to a Department of Justice account. This amount, one of the largest forfeiture amounts in U.S. history, reflects not only Google's profits from the rogue Canadian online pharmacy problem, but the profits of those pharmacies as well. It sends a clear message to both Google and to others that contribute to America's pill problem, that they will be held to account for endangering the health and the safety of the residents of this district and to persons all across the United States.